Hello students, welcome to medicoRAS. Today we are going to discuss
the pollinating agent. From that pollen-pistil interaction, we have the portion. So question number 27. Vinca pollen grain germinates after. See, Vinca pollen grain, it germinates after what? Vinca, balsam, all these pollen grains we can germinate in the laboratory also, and it can germinate in the sugar solution, 10% sugar solution for the minute, after the minute of 15 to 30 minutes, right? So this is what the answer is. Question number 28, please. Even in incompatible pollination, plant breeders can manipulate pollen-pistil interaction to get. So see here, even in the incompatible pollination, plant breeders can manipulate pollen-pistil interaction. So nowadays we have the technology of biotechnology, we have bioinformatics, we have so many things like green revolution we can do, right? So you know these things, right? So we know that if it is pollen-pistil interaction, if it is incomplete in nature, we can manipulate that pollen-pistil interaction and we can get what desired hybrid we can get. See, desired seed I can't say because we are manipulating the things, we are mixing the things, that means it is the hybrid. I can't write desired plant here. I can't say desired pollen grain also, right? So it should be desired hybrid, and the full line is there in your NCERT. Please go through NCERT line once again, okay? Now check question number 29, please. Formation of more than one embryo inside the seed, definitely. This is known as what? Polyembryony condition. So this is from the 20% portion, right? So polyembryony, just check it here. More number of embryo they are saying, more than one. That means more number of embryo inside the seed they are asking. Come to question number 30, please. Say the DNA molecule could be distinguished from the normal DNA by the centrifugation. So this can be done with the help of what? It is a cesium chloride. See, first one is, you feel that this first one, the chemical form is correct, but if you see here, they have mentioned it like chloride 2, right? Chlorine 2 they have given. This is wrong formula. So I have to go for question option number 3. Then come to question number 31, please. Pollen grains of Vallisneriaare are carried out by the water current. So what type of water current is? Passively, actively, effectively, not effectively? Answer is passively, right? Water current, it is passively moving. So after 31 question, we have 32 question number. Majority of flowers are what? Hermaphrodite, that means bisexual, right? So this is the first line of outbreeding device. Please go through it. Question number 33, please. The Vallisneriaare and the Dioecy pollination occurs respectively. See, Vallisneriaare if it is, then this is the freshwater aquatic plant, and if it is Dioecy, then it is the seagrass, right? So one is on the surface of water and other one is inside the water. Fine. So this is what the third option is correct. Question number 34, please. The male gamete of the pollen are formed by. So male gamete of the pollen are formed by what? It is the genetic nucleus or the genetic cell which can make the two male gamete. I hope you know this, right? And for that we need to go for one mitotic division as well. Now come to question number 35, please. The water hyacinth and water lily are pollinated by. So definitely if it is water, then we used to think it as water is going to pollinate their pollen grains, but exactly it is the insect and the wind. I hope you know this line from the NCERT. So now come to question number 36. Inside the embryo sac, how many numbers of nuclei are surrounded by the cell wall? So check these answers, okay? In an embryo sac, total how many nuclei we have? 8. We know this, right? If it is like antipodal cells we have, then we have the egg cell and the 2 synergids, and in between we have 2 polar nuclei. If you check, then we will have total 8 numbers of nucleus. That means 8 is the correct thing, right? 8 nucleus is the correct thing, not the 7th one. Yes, everywhere the 8. 8 is the correct one. But you just check like which one is the correct answer here. For surrounded by the cell wall they are saying, that means this is the cell wall, right? I mean this is the full cover. So please remember it is 6 out of 8. That means this 3 antipodal cell and this egg cell and synergids, these are actually surrounded by the cell wall, not the secondary nucleus, that means a two-polar nuclear body that is not surrounded by the cell wall. Okay, so please remember this. This is the second answer. Okay, so let's go for the next questions then.